Back here with the Corvette. I just want to show you a little something that's coming up here. You see that heater control valve? That baby, when it's cold, leaks all over the place. As soon as the car warms up, it stops leaking. So I've ordered one, 4 Seasons. I got the part number from the video I saw. There was a couple of them, but Mike's 84 Corvette has got a really good video on this situation. So I'll have a video coming shortly. I'm going to take this and fix it, or I might keep driving it and see how far I can push my luck. But it's as dry as a bone right now, front and back. So I might just drive it and then do this repair over the winter time. Catch you later.